Hello guys, welcome back. So in this lecture we are going to learn about the arrow function. So previously what we used to see, we used to write a function, my function, and then we used to pass this small bracket, and after that we used to write the code in the function, right? But what is arrow function is that, as you can see, this is the arrow. So function is going to be replaced with a const, and then from the const you can write your function name, and then equal to, after that we use the same parameter. If we have argument, we will pass the argument, otherwise we can write the arrow, and we will follow the same thing that we use in the previously, right? So this is a very good concept behind the scene, and we will see just now the practical. Okay, so let's begin. So now we are back to the console. Okay, so we will write some code here. Okay, so let me go with write function, and then I will use the my function, and in this function we will take body, and I'm going to pass console.log, you can write, and then we will I'm going to write my name, right? Hira Babu. Okay, so we are done here. So let me wait, right? So when we call here my function, right? My function, as of this, right? We used to call this like that. What we will see? We will see our function value, right? What we will see? Our function value. Now if we want to replace this by uh, arrow function, how we'll do that? Only you have to write before equal, after equal, and then arrow, right? And then I'm going to write, rename the value my function. In place of the function, what we will write? We will use const, right? We will use const, and then we are done. Now I'm going to write my function 1, and it will give you the same value as. So as you can compare, and if you want to see a console value, right, with a parameter, so my function 3 is there, and I'm going to pass the name there, so that if I'm passing the name at the time of calling, so I will console the value same, right? So this is the function 3, and I am passing a name Evelyn. Okay, so let's see what I will get. Sorry, the value I have given is wrong. Okay, but the things value is coming good, Evelyn. Okay, Evelyn, Evelyn, Evelyn. Okay, you can see, as well as if we want to replace this value through the arrow function, how we'll do that? We will write const. I'm going to replace with same thing. Okay, okay, what is, oh, oops, oops. Right, now you can see the fourth value I'm going to pass, Evelyn thing. See, so now you can compare here. When we are going to write a single function, right, without any parameter, right, single function, so you can replace those single function from here. What you have to write? You have to write equal, then after the equal, and then the arrow function. It will work like the same. If we have the parameter, you will just pass the parameter, okay, and rest of the thing will be the same, right? So you follow the same. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box, and please connect with me. So we will continue the arrow function. Okay, so how we concise the arrow function, and using the sorry, how we concise the function and using the arrow function. So let's begin and understand. So I am going to write a very simple a method, right? So you can take any method, right? So I'm going to write a multiply by 2. Okay, so this is a method. I'm going to write the name multiply by method. Okay, multiple of 2 we can write, right? Multiple of 2, I can give the name multiple of 2. Okay, so this method I'm going to write like this first, so you will understand. And in, sorry, I have to increase the font, right? So in the console dot log, what do I have to write? I have to write, okay, I have to write the data that we are going to pass. What we are passing here? Number, right? Whatever the number we have the number here, and we can multiply the number by 2, right? We can write, obviously we can write. What is the value? Oh shit, this is function. Okay, this is function, okay. Now you can see, so if we want to run this value 2, okay, and like this, okay, what we are going to see, 4 is the value, okay. So let me rewrite this function again in parameter ways, okay. So if we have a function, we have, and the function name is multiple of 2, and we are going to pass number, and this number, it will what will happen, I'm going to return number, not number into 2, okay, and then I will enter, okay. So my function is ready. What I have to write? I have to write console.log, and then I want to use multiple of 2, 4, okay. So we will check the value. What we have seen, I have passed 4, so it will multiply with 2 and it gives you the value. Now I want to make the concise code using the arrow function. So how we will do? What I have to write here, I have to write const first, then we can take I'm going to write multiple only, multiple. Now I'm changing the name, multiple of 2, okay, and I will pass number, right, number, and this number will return the value, right? So no need to write the return keyword, we can write return and then we will write number into 2, right, like this. But it is not required. Why? We can write like this, okay, we can write like this, but this is not required. What I will do, I will keep the code very simple and concise, so I can remove this value too, right? Now I'm going to enter, yeah, it will work. So now the console of 2 is there, so I'm going to enter 9. I want to see the value. See, it is working, right? Sorry. So now you can see that with the arrow function, the code is very concise. It's a very single line. If you multiple line, you can also use the curly braces in front of this, and after that you have to close. Otherwise, if you want to write a concise code, the single line you can write here. So if you like the tutorials, please make a thumbs up and give a comment. Thank you.